Hey homeowners, here's why a swim spa is better than a pool. Are you considering a swimming pool for your home? Before going out and buying a pool, have you considered a swim spa? With all the benefits, but less maintenance required with a traditional pool, a swim spa may be exactly what you need. Here are 3 reasons why a swim spa is a better investment than a pool. You can use it 365 days a year. Unlike a swimming pool that gets covered and goes unused for months at a time, the swim spa is ready to use 12 months out of the year. The compact size lets you place your swim spa indoors for easy, comfortable use. Rain, snow, blazing heat? No worries. It's an option for smaller homes. Have you always wanted a swimming pool at home but your yard isn't big enough to accommodate? It's not a problem with a swim spa. This amazing machine is compact enough to fit virtually anywhere, on a deck, in an enclosed patio, or as part of a small outdoor area. You can equip it with a hot tub spa. Use your continuous current to swim laps, enjoy aquatic exercise, and splash with the kids. Then, slip over to the other side for on-demand hydro massage in warm, soothing water. The best of both worlds in one machine. The swim spa delivers a swimming pool and customized hydrotherapy in one. So go ahead, take a swim. You deserve it. It's fast, fun, and relaxing. Not only that, it's good for the body, soothes the mind, and can improve your overall health and well-being. To learn more about the benefits of owning a swim spa, pick up a copy of our free guide, Secrets to Swim Spa Buying Success. Just give us a call or visit our website at www.hotspringgreen.com.